Merry Christmas. I'm giving away a 3-month subscription to PIA VPN. If you comment down below, what's your favourite thing I've said this year? It could be something I've said on a video, something I've said on social media, something I've said in real life, if you know me in real life. If you're one of my mates, you've been travelling with me, you know me, whatever. What's the favourite thing, your favourite thing I've said this year? Post it down below. I'm also posting this on TikTok, so if it's on TikTok, post it. Where are the comments on TikTok? On the side, above? I don't know. Anyway, post it, let me know. And I'll pick out the best one, and I'll announce it somewhere and sometime next year. Next year? This year? I don't know, sometime. Which one I like the best, and you can have a 3-month subscription. I'll send you a code, and you can have PIA VPN for 3 months. And if you like it, you can sign up and get 80 whatever percent off it is, 83%? I don't know. You get a lot off anyway. So you should definitely look at that one. G'day guys, Rory coming at you from Perth, Western Australia. Merry Christmas. It's Christmas Eve. Not quite Christmas, but still Merry Christmas. Now sometimes you find yourself eating absolutely weird stuff, and I'm in that place at the moment. I'm eating curried egg and fish. Curried egg and fish. And got a sweet corn on the cob, a pork chop, and pompanoms. Why am I eating that, you might be asking? Well, it's Christmas tomorrow. We're cooking a lot of food. Have a big Christmas brekkie, Christmas lunch as you do. And we have so much leftovers in the fridge, so we've got to eat them up. So what better way than just to put it all together and make weird stuff. So this is leftover fish. We went fishing the other day, caught some fish, some skipjack and various other bits and bobs. Breakseed cod. And had some eggs, had some mayonnaise. So I mixed it all up. I was going to have it on bread, but then Dad said, do you want pompanoms? Because he's having curry. So yeah, I'll have a couple of pompanoms. Oh, sweet corn he's eating up. Alright, I'll have sweet corn. Oh, there's a pork chop in there too. Pork chop. So anyway, without further ado, I forgot to get an knife and fork. Oh well, should be right. Oh no, it didn't. Here it is. Put it in the corner, I forgot it was there. Alright, I guess we'll we'll start with the curried fish and egg to begin with. It actually looks disgusting, but I love curried fish and egg. So I mixed in some tuna in a can with actual fish, curry powder, boiled eggs, hard boiled of course, and fresh fish. Tastes really good. I'm a fan. Put that in between 2 pieces of bread, you got yourself an absolute banging sandwich. Alright, what's next? Got corn. I love a good corn on the cob. I don't know where it's from. I think it's spudshed corn, but it's good. For those of you who don't know what spudshed is, it's in Perth, only in Perth, in WA, but literally only in Perth and surrounding suburbs. There's a supermarket chain called Spudshed. They grow their own food. They're open 24 hours too. It's a good place. That's sweet, very sweet, hence why it's called sweet corn, but anyway, good corn. I dig that. I might have pompanom. Pompanoms are just good. I'll give you a food hack. If you didn't know this, if you make a salad, put like chips, like potato chips or pompanoms, like crunch them up on top of your salad. It gives it more texture. It's good. Trust me. Yeah, no pompanoms. It's just like eating, you go to the Asian restaurants and you get the prawn crackers, it's like that. I love them. And I may as well use my knife and fork. The old pork chop. I think it's like 2 days old now. Maybe a day old. When did we cook it? Was it yesterday? I can't remember. Anyway, pork chop. Try not to eat the bone. Got enough bones. Yeah, don't need any more. Yeah, I love a pork chop. Something about leftover pork chops though, they don't taste as good as when you first cook them. Oh, don't talk with your mouth full, sorry. Anyway, that's my Christmas Eve dinner. It's pretty weird. We got eggs and fish and mayonnaise and curry powder, pork chop, pompanoms, and sweet corn. Anyway, it's alright. It's not what I usually eat, don't worry, I'm not that strange. So far my stomach's feeling alright. but we'll see how we go when we finish this. Anyway, Merry Christmas, and hope you have a good day. When am I posting this? Today. Good day today. Enjoy. Or it's today when I post it, but tomorrow in real life. So anyway, Merry Christmas. Latest pigs. Stay curious, stay adventurous, and keep exploring.